Good morning, Team Marsh. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So, in today's installment, now we are currently looking at those. We're on this job site, and the guys are currently prepping to slab the roof. So they're putting up their decking timber and also doing reinforcement on this particular unit. So in today's vlog now we are going to have a look at their setup, how they go about putting up their shores, what type of shores, you have raking shores, different type of shores. So we're going to also look at the reinforcement, look at the why and the do's and don'ts, just have a little inspection on how the guys are going about their construction. You don't know we have different ways to achieve the common goal. So we can't say this wrong or this right for now. We're coming back to standards, and we are not going to judge a man's work before he finished. So let's go have a look, and don't forget to buy your boy a coffee in the description down below. And you don't know, support the channel, and let's get the ball rolling. Thanks again, Team Ismash, for watching my last vlog and coming back to this vlog. You guys have been amazing, and here we go. So firstly, by all means, please ensure that your ladder past the point of landing is just the correct and safe way to do it. So make it rise another 2 to 3 feet above the point of landing. Safety procedure when you're using a ladder. So here we go. This is the slab. So we're looking at the reinforcement on the slab. It is not yet complete, so we're just going to have a look at the arrangement. We don't have a drawing at hand, but we'll just skim through first. We just find out if what up here so makes sense. Is it logical? So we're gonna look out for certain things. I wanna tell me. I need your guys' feedback to tell me I wanna think on what's happening up here. So firstly, we realize that them install some of the over support, and the over support looks to be 5/8, and you have the 1/2 inch down there. So I need to ask you guys a question. Have you ever seen the over support or the top bars being larger than the ones at the bottom? In most instances, that's not how it goes. The over support on the slab is more for the punching force of these walls, the walls as a matter of fact. Due to cement being strong in its compressive force and not in its tensile force, you have different moments. So when the weight load of the slab is going on the wall, and you have the positive force, there are moments, whatever they call it, you have to have something to counteract it, or else we just punch straight through it. So you have these top bars, the over support, to resist that force. In most instances, the bottom bar is either the same or of a smaller girth than the top bars. So I'm unfamiliar with this, but we go double check with the engineer. And yeah, and another thing you guys may notice that this is the span of the living room. At no point you see a beam, a hidden beam or anything like that. I don't know why. I guess that is the reason why they use the 5/8 steel, and I'm not sure about that. I still think beam should be in it, and it's normally a case where every 15 foot you have a column, meaning you have the stiffener columns in the wall, and it comes across and as a beam and laps across the building. Yeah, and I believe the span is 40 feet. So we're gonna look on the drawing afterwards. But just like a quick run through with you guys. So 15. So one would be in the middle somewhere. So I don't see any beam, so that's questionable, and I believe Parish Council might request one for this building, but the lady say engineer upon the building here. So sometimes a third, second, even a fifth opinion may be of pertinence. So the over support will come again, stop somewhere in here, so, and this is 4x6 the spacing, and over support again off here. So over here says not yet done, so we're not seeing over support, so then cut the bars for put over there. So you look closely again, you see cheers allow the top bars to rest on the ones below it, and them skip tie the steels together. Alright, I'm gonna show you now. I don't know if a tradesman them I want to show you now. I look at cheat up, but probably everybody does it. Before them drop the bars, you see the blue markings, them just use it as them guide to run the bottom bars without stopping to measure. So they mark it first and then run. So we're currently downstairs and we're gonna have a look at the decking in the living area. So let me state again, you have many videos showing what is what in the decking. So I talk about the ply sheeting again. I think our suffix board. Remember, with the ply, you have the joists, you have the runners, and these are the prop or shores. So let's talk about the spacing. Why most men have a space in a specific way and randomly arrange it. So we try to get out the common seams, the seams in the plies when joining one ply to another. So the ply is 8 foot, so we try to get a multiple of the 8 foot. That's why they have a spacing being in a 2 foot, 16, 8, 4, or whatever the case may be. And try to get it to be a multiple. So boom. And you look, you try to properly secure the shores to the bearers or runners, and you can see they have a certain type of thing around here, so we then call a rebate. So you make a little rebate, run it back forward properly, and remember the board in here, then put it at the base, like a baseboard. So if it's pretty weight and kind of make this protrude going down in the ground when the load take it, because it's about 115 kilogram or pound per square inch, something like that. Every foot is about 150 pound, depending. Something like that, brother. It's very, very, very heavy. This slab, when 6 inch or 4 inch, very, very, very heavy. And the weight you can come down upon, you can definitely kill her. So, like the splicing in the steel, at no point in time you should lap or splice at the same point. So this is considered as wrong. And just imagine that let me show how the crack or the weight the load take place. You don't want to run in a straight line. Sometimes them say if they interchange it, so bam, the load go right there, so you know go directly to there, so they have to go down there, so before it come back up here, so I hit that, so you know make it go run right down. You cannot interchange it, you know. So this is wrong. Lapping at or splicing at the same point, it is considered wrong, and you should not have your joists or your steel work with that, anything running at the same point. Besides on that team Ismash, I don't really see anything else, so we're going to continue to check on this building until the day of inspection. So I might give you guys an update going forward, but besides that, that is it for this video. Hope you guys have learned something new or become aware of something when you guys are planning on building in the future. And then again, note guys, I provide consultant services and I do site visit, all of that. So you guys can again hit me up in the emails and have me, you know, run out a job for you guys. Always available for the team. Team Ismash, thanks again for the support. And the rain right over there, so and me I go hurry up and get out of here. Team Ismash, God bless you. I'm out.